Forget the reverse swoosh, the bundle zip tie, the celebrity cosine, and endless line. This underrated
sneaker that was slipped under the radar, and this one is you could find in the
Nike outlet store, the Adidas store, or in the Converse outlet. So let's check them out. Starting off with an Air Jordan. This is not a retro, this is the Jordan Superfly, and this one's retail on $140. Pick them up for $39.97 with the additional 30% off. And this one is the Wolf Gray White Pure Platinum. Boom. And this one is the Jordan Flight on the back with the Jumpman, and also comes a Superfly on the tongue. And this one is dominantly with quilted and smooth suede all over the top, and has a durable Nike React. And this is the first one of the
first design of the React foam that they did before the actual React
right now, and is the first in the generation which has the React foam, and it is very soft during the all game, and it is very lightweight midsole for maximum response. And also it comes a multi-directional right there of the traction pattern with 4 high pressure wear zones right there, and also embossed with a Nike and Jordan Jumpman logo on this side, dominantly gray with a little bit accent of white and icy bottom, as you can see right there. Wow. And you check this one. Well, this one is really good in the basketball because it has a really good traction all over, and it is very comfortable, and comes with the first generation of the Nike React foam. And pick them up for really cheap, $39.97 with the additional 30%. That one is not bad for very underrated Jordan basketball shoes for very cheap, and it comes with a very comfortable foam, React foam. Next one, let's go with Adidas, and we got the Adidas I-5923. Pick them up for $69.97. This one, I believe I picked them up $69.97 with the additional 50% off from the Adidas. And boom, check that out.
Underrated Adidas shoe.
Comes with a mostly black top and boost midsole. I really like it because it is really comfortable, and you can't go wrong with a black and white midsole, and also the bottom. Wow, comes a really good traction. Also, you can wear them any kind of occasion, casual or anything, because it's like just a simple black and white. You can't go wrong on this one. Very comfortable, underrated shoe that it's been sitting on the outlet, that it is really cost lesser, cheaper, and is very comfortable because of the midsole. Can't go wrong on this one. Nice one. Pick them up for somewhere $35 after taxes. And one thing more that I found, this one is just they did in the 70s, and comes with also a mesh upper. You can't go wrong on this one. What do you think? Adidas underrated shoe, very comfortable, black and alright, moving on, and another one
Underrated from the
Converse, and pick this up somewhere. Price is, come on, $19.97, and I believe they were buy one get 150% off way back then. And yeah, so yep, I got here $10.58. Another underrated sneaker that you can find in the Converse outlet, and it's mostly top is black and white midsole, and the bottom. what good about with this underrated Converse? It is a really good in the traction. Also, it comes with a super up. It comes with a suede upper, and they call this one the Cons Ones All Star because of the comes with a prime leather on top, and also a low profile, and allows you to have a flexible all around your ankle. And this one, it is what I really like about this one. It is also like just a simple black and white. You can't go wrong. And also a leather, and you can wear them casual and formal because of the leather. And this one is that they are missing out. Boom. Can you see how thick the lunar lawn cushioning here? And it comes with a full length of lunar lawn, and it is very gonna be very comfortable cushioning wearing them, because usually when you see this one, it's just simple black and white. But if you're wearing them right now, wow, can't go wrong for a very thick lunar lawn cushioning. And this one, I believe that's why they made a new one in the Air Force One with the React cushioning, just like this one. That is why this one
$10 for this one.
not bad for very. Comes with a good cushioning, nice for casual and formal wear. A leather, a simple black and white. Well, what do you think? Please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Well, we got two more. Alright, next one, we got another Adidas, and it is Adidas Boost. And we got the Pharrell Williams Solar Hue PRD, and check that price, $79.97. And I believe I got them with the additional 50% or maybe 40%. But the price alone for $79.97, and then the additional discount, you can go around for a Pharrell Williams like there. And it is one really good. Comes with dominantly mostly blue, and the midsole, it is comes with the boost right there, and the traction of continental and torsion on the bottom right there. And the upper comes with embroidered hue, and you've seen one of the videos that I already copped this one, multiples on this one. And it's really nice to have this one in the for sale, not for the collection yet. And it is underrated
Sneaker that you can find in the outlet.
I believe the hype is gone down on this one, but you still like to wear some of the Pharrell Williams, and it comes with a nice blue accent all around, and a good midsole boost with embroidered hue, with also on the design on this side with the side of the heel guard and the nice top tongue right there. So what do you think on this one? Do you believe it is underrated? Well, I believe so, because they have been sitting on the outlet for a long while. So been like, if I'm not mistaken, they dropped to somewhere the retail, then goes a little bit more, and then they drop to 79, and then been waiting them to have additional discount, but then they drop it to 79 with additional discount. Pick them up. And lastly, we got a Jordan, and as you can see, the box alone, it comes the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE Awok Energy, designed by the edited by Vogue. And there we go. It's for women's style, not men's. And I believe it was one of underrated Air Jordan 3 that you can find in the outlet, because they were sitting in the outlet. And this one is designed with Anna Wintour, Awok of Vogue. So why in the world these are sitting on the outlet? It's designed by one of the good designer of Vogue, iconic, inspired by Anna Wintour, and comes with a little bit shiny, glittery, shimmering Air Jordan 3, and some kind of different design with the upper, not dominantly with leather, but some kind of mesh something. But the right here in the side is somewhat leather. I believe this one it won't go like it were gone, so sold out if more different design because it was Vogue. Huh? Not bad. And the top it was leather right here, and it's soft leather. And also inside soft. I don't know why are they sitting in the outlet and pick them up for how much? For you can see 79, hold on, 79.97 right there, and after the discount is 71, so not bad for the price, which is not mistaken what the I don't know how much the retail though, but in 79.97, and then discount 70 bucks for a Jordan 3 with the collaboration of Vogue. What in the world? Why are they sitting in the outlet? So what do you think on this underrated sneaker that you can find on their outlet? The Nike Factory Store outlet, Adidas outlet, Converse outlet, and the Nike outlet store. I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.